In a trigonometric functions, next concept is sign of a trigonometric functions in different quadrants. In the plane, we have divided by horizontal and vertical line. It means x and y axis. Then we will get four quadrants: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant. Like that, see here. Let us consider first quadrant. In this quadrant, this is the first quadrant. If the terminal side lies in a first quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ angle ಅದಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು ಆ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಯಾವುವು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಯಾವುವು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮೆಜರ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಿ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಡೋಣ, ಎಂ ಕೊಡೋಣ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಏನದ positive ada, so it is positive. And here PM, it means parallel to y axis, it is also positive term y, so it is also positive. E type ada first one ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ if the terminal side lies in a first quadrant, if the terminal side lies in a first quadrant. ಈ OP ನ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ 0 ಇರ್ತದ, 0 ಆರ್ 2π ಆರ್ 4π ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ 0 and here perpendicular, that is angle is pi by 2. Angle is pi by 2. So angle ಎಲ್ಲದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 0 to 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅದ. ಹಂಗಾರೆ 1 by 1 ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ sin theta. Sin theta ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಏನು? Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Here PM is a opposite side and hypotenuse is a OP. PM is positive divided by OP. It is also positive because it is in a first quadrant. So OP is also positive, so it is positive. Sin theta is positive in a first quadrant. Sin theta is positive in a first quadrant. Similarly, cos theta, adjacent side OM divided by hypotenuse. OM is a positive and OP is also positive. Then it is positive. Cos theta is also positive. Tan theta, opposite side divided by adjacent side. Positive divided by positive, that is also positive. Similarly, cosec theta, hypotenuse divided by opposite side, OP divided by PM, positive divided by positive. Secant theta, sec theta is equal to, that is also hypotenuse divided by adjacent side, OM divided by OP. Sorry, hypotenuse, that is OP divided by OM. Positive divided by positive, that is also positive. And last one is cot theta. Cot theta, it means what? Adjacent side divided by opposite side, OM divided by PM. So positive divided by positive, it is also positive. Therefore, in the first quadrant, all the 6 trigonometric functions has a positive symbol. Therefore, in the first quadrant, all 6 trigonometric functions have positive symbol. Positive symbol. Second one is if the terminal side lies in the second quadrant. Terminal side lies in the second quadrant. Then what if one say सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट लिखते होते हैं डायग्राम चेंज होता OP lies in a second quadrant. OP lies in a second quadrant. P M, this one is angle theta, this one is 90 degree. Here OP is in the second quadrant, pi by 2 to pi. It means 90 to 180 degree. 90 to 180 degree. Here OM, this is a negative x-axis, so it is negative. And PM is positive x-axis, then it is positive. And similarly, OP is a hypotenuse, it is always positive. Because OP square is equal to PM square plus OM square. Then what one say? Sine, cos, tan, cosec, cosec, positive or negative? Check. Second one, sin theta same हुआ, its opposite side is a PM divided by hypotenuse, that is a OP. Write the symbol PM is positive divided by OP is positive, so it is positive. Cos theta adjacent side, that is a OM divided by hypotenuse OP. OM is negative divided by OP is positive. Negative divided by positive means it is negative only. Okay, ಯಾವುದಾರ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. tan theta opposite side PM divided by adjacent side, that is OM. PM is positive, check that, and OM is a negative divided by negative. So positive divided by negative, it means again it is negative. Next, cosec theta. Hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Positive divided by positive, so it is also positive. Next one, sec theta. In the sec theta, adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, that is OM divided by OP. OM it means negative divided by positive, it is also negative. Cot theta result is also same way of tan, that is OM divided by PM, negative divided by positive is negative. So here only two terms we got of positive, sine and cosec. In a second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive, remaining all are negative. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ ಮತ್ತು ಕೊಸೆಕ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್. Third one, if the terminal side lies in a third quadrant, then what if you observe here? Take this diagram in a third quadrant. It means the terminal side lies in where? Third quadrant. Okay, na? This one is a P. OP is in the third quadrant. According to that, draw the angle. This one is a M. So OM, it means a negative axis, that is negative. PM is parallel to negative y axis, so it is negative. OP is hypotenuse, that is positive. This one is angle theta. Angle theta. Diagram is very important for that one. So for this one, write the same sin, cos, tan, cot, tan, sec, cosec, cot, sin theta. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು. ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೈಪೋಟೆನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ OM ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now write one by one. Opposite, that is PM divided by hypotenuse OP. PM value is what? Positive or negative? Negative. Hypotenuse positive, so its result is negative. Cos theta, adjacent side OM divided by hypotenuse. OM is a negative, OP is a positive, positive by negative, then again it is negative. Tan theta, opposite by adjacent. Opposite side is PM, adjacent is OM. PM by OM is negative by negative. Negative by negative, it means it has a positive. Minus into minus, minus will be cancelled. Cosec theta, hypotenuse divided by opposite side, that is PM, positive by negative, negative, result is negative. Sec theta, adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, OM divided by OP, then again it is negative. Cot theta, adjacent side divided by opposite side, negative divided by negative, again it is positive. Therefore, again here we have two terms are positive. Tan and cot are positive in the second quadrant. In a second quadrant, tan theta and cot theta are positive. Remaining all negative. This is a third quadrant statement. Similarly, in a fourth quadrant also. First the video, note down the points. Similarly, in a fourth quadrant, if the terminal side lies in a fourth quadrant, it means like this only. Then what if I say OP is in fourth quadrant, this one is PM. So again OM is in a positive x axis, that is plus. Hypotenuse is always plus. PM it is parallel to negative axis, so it is negative. And this one is theta. For this term, write all the remaining trigonometric functions. This is fourth one. If the terminal side lies in a fourth quadrant, then what happens? See. For the angle theta, which one is a positive and which one is a negative? That is important only. For the angle theta, here PM is opposite side and OM is adjacent side. OP is hypotenuse. Sin theta, opposite side is PM divided by hypotenuse. PM is negative, hypotenuse is positive, so it is negative. Cos theta, adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. That is OM divided by OP, OM divided by OP, positive by positive, it is also positive. Tan theta, opposite side divided by adjacent side, that is PM divided by OM. PM is negative, OM is positive, it is also negative. Cosec theta, OP divided by PM, negative divided by positive divided by negative, it is also negative. Sec theta, hypotenuse divided by adjacent side, positive divided by here adjacent side, that is also positive, so plus divided by plus, that is plus. Cot theta, cot theta it means adjacent side divided by opposite side. Opposite side is a PM, so it is positive divided by negative, it is also negative. So in a fourth quadrant, which one is positive? Only two terms, those are cos theta and sec theta are positive. Cos theta and sec theta are positive and remaining all are negative. So this is a fourth quadrant. By using these four quadrants, we can say that here directly in one diagram. See how? If the terminal line lies in a four quadrant, then the trigonometric functions has a different symbols. It is a first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and this one is fourth quadrant. In a first quadrant, all the trigonometric functions are positive. Therefore, write this one as a all. In a second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive. Remaining all are negative only. Sine and cosec theta are positive only. In a third quadrant, tan and cot are only positive, remaining all are negative. In a fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive, remaining all are negative. Therefore, here Sin reciprocal is cosec, tan reciprocal is a cot theta, cos reciprocal is a sec theta. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳೋಣ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಎಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಸೆಕ್, ಟಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಟ್, C means cos and sec. All students take a coffee. You remember like this only. All students take a coffee. ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ನೆನಪಿಡಬಹುದು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಅದ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3π/2 or 270 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅದ, ಹೀಗಾಗಿ 2π 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅದ. ಸೊ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಈಸಿಲಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾವ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು? It is depending on the symbol. We can say that here the terminal side lies in the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, or fourth quadrant, like that only. You observe this diagram. X and y axis, okay, it is a first quadrant. Angles are what here? 0 to π/2. It means a 0 to 90 degree. 0 ದಿಂದ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋ ಎಂಗಲ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತವ ಅಂಡ್ 90 ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತ. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ π/2 ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ, 90 ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಇರ್ತಾವು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ಗಳು 0 ದಿಂದ 90 ತನಕ, 0 ದಿಂದ 90 ತನಕ ಇರೋ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತಾವ. 90 ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ और 0 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. 0 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋ ಒನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅಂಡ್ ಇದೇ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು 2π ಅಂತಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ರೊಟೇಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2π ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 2π ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾವ, ಇದೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ 90 ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ ಒಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಆಂಗಲ್ಗಳು. ಸೊ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 to 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, 0 to 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ಅ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್. ಇನ್ ಅ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ π/2 to π, 90 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇದ್ದದ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. 90 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು π/2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಈ 180 ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಏನ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಆ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾರ ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. pi by 2 plus theta, it means the angle present in the second quadrant, or pi minus theta, at this time also the angle present in the second quadrant. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ angle range ಏನು pi by 2 to pi ತನಕ ಇರೋ ಎಲ್ಲಾ angles ಗಳು should be present in the second quadrant only. Similarly, in the third quadrant angle is pi to 3 pi by 2, it means at 270 degree. So angles which are pi plus theta, pi plus theta ante ಏನಿರ್ತದ that angle present in a third quadrant. And similarly ಈ 3 pi by 2 minus theta ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇರ್ತಾವ. 3 pi by 2 minus theta ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ angles ಗಳೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ರೇಂಜ್ ಏನು ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 5 ದಿಂದ 3 pi by 2 ತನಕ ಇರೋ ಎಲ್ಲಾ angles, all the angles are present in a third quadrant only. What about fourth quadrant? In a fourth quadrant, look here, 3 pi by 2 plus ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು angle add ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ that terminal side lies in a fourth quadrant. So 3 pi by 2 plus theta ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, otherwise 2 pi minus theta plus theta ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ, 2 pi minus theta ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that is a 2 pi minus theta. So ಈ ಎರಡು angles ಕೂಡ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ should be terminal side present in a fourth quadrant. The range is what here? 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, or 0 also you can take, no problem. So it is a very important diagram for these two, for this chapter, because range we can take easily. Angle ಎಲ್ಲದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೆನಪಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂಚೂರು ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಈಸಿಲಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೋಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್.